Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at measuring, changing kilometers to meters and meters to kilometers. Okay, I've got a selection of questions here with my students here, and we've written them on the left-hand side of kilometers to meters, on the right-hand side in green is meters to kilometers. Now, if we look at our identity, when we change kilometers to meters, what do we do over here, folks? We time by
1,000.
Time by 1,000. So let's write that down here. When we multiply a whole number by 1,000, it's quite simple. We simply add 3 zeros. Are you happy with that? We add 3 zeros to a whole number. Next, we have a decimal number. 3.5 kilometers. I want to change that to meters. So what do I do to that? I multiply that also by 1,000. Okay. And when you multiply by 1,000, now you got 3.5. Let's copy the 3.5 underneath. You'll see why in a second. I need to get the decimal point. I move it 1, 2, 3. You got 3 places. Okay, back to recording now. So 3.5 kilometers, decimal number. If you multiply that by 1,000, we have to move the decimal place to 3 places to the
Left. Right.
to the
Right.
right. We time by 1,000. Okay, or we can actually put that on this side and put that. Okay, are you okay, Rion? So we time by 1,000. Move decimal point 3 places to the right. So copy the number underneath. Copy it. Now how do you do the gaps? You fill in them with zeros.
0.
Pop the decimal point at the end. Now, decimal point is normally at the end of a whole number anyway. So we can save space and just write on top of the decimal number, top of the decimal point, m for meters. So 3.5 kilometers is the same as 3,500 kilometers. Here comes the next question. Are we ready? The next number is a decimal number. If we change kilometers to meters, we times by
1,000.
1,000. So what's this? Jump 1, jump 2, jump 3. Now copy, 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 copy. Drop the decimal point. So can somebody read that number to me? What's the number say? Brian, try that. Read that number to me.
356.
Beautiful. I couldn't have said it better myself. The zero is unnecessary and the point is unnecessary. And that is a superb answer by Mr. Rion. 356 meters. Okay, here comes the next question. 57.65 kilometers. Change it to meters. What do we do? Time by 1,000. Salia, get decimal point. We got 1, 2, and
3.
3. So 5, 7, 6, 5. Now, we have a gap here. What do we put in the gap?
0.
0. What do we put at the end of the gap? Little baby point. So somebody read this number to me now. Anand, read the number to me. 57,000
57,650.
and point. On top of the point, we can write on top of the point m. Because we don't need the point at the end. Okay? So the final answer is 57,650 meters. Now, let's move on to the next part. When we divide by 1,000, the easiest way to do it is to remove how many zeros? Changing meters to, oops, right, missing the out. Should be km. Okay, right. We change in 2,000 meters to kilometers. What we do? We divide it by
1,000.
1,000. When you divide by 1,000, how many zeros do we remove?
3.
3 zeros. If the number has them at the end. Now, next one. So 360,000 divided by
1,000.
1,000. So 1, 2, 3. What's the final answer?
360 kilometers.
Oops, excuse me. Wait. I haven't even written the top answer. Now the next number, 4,751 meters. We divide that by 1,000. Now, do we have any do we have any zeros in this question?
No.
No. So we have to then put the decimal point in ourselves. Decimal point always lives at the end of a whole number. Now, if you got decimal point there, we have to move the decimal point how many places back? 1, 2,
3.
3 to the
Left.
3 to the left now. So we're gonna go now. 1, 2, 3. Copy, drop the point, copy, 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 and that is your final answer.
4.75.
Okay, don't forget we're making a video of this as well, so if you get stuck when you go home, you can have a look at it to help with your homework. Now, the next question. We have 300 meters. To change into kilometers, we divide it by
1,000.
because it tells here meters to kilometers divided by 1,000, which is opposite time by 1,000. So in this one we don't have. Do you have enough zeros?
No.
We need 3 zeros. We don't only have 2. So what do? We put the decimal point.
And then we go back.
Then we go back 1, 2, and 3.
Then you
Drop.
The decimal point.
Copy, 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 and now somebody read that number to me, please. Go on, Arba.
0.3 kilometers.
Excellent. 0.3 kilometers. So we don't need these anymore. Answer. So those 2 zeros are unnecessary, and we need to put extra 0 in. Okay, what you do? Go on then.
Do we have to drop the 0 before the?
We do drop them first, then we cross them out. We must drop them. Now, next question. Decimal point goes at the end. Why? Because it's a whole number. And we need to go 1, 2, 3. Copy, copy, drop, copy, copy. Now, 4, and somebody the answer to me. Anam, you try that, please.
41.700.
which is the same as
700.
41.7. So those other 2 zeros at the end, in our final answer, we actually won't need them. We can delete them. And on the next line down, write down 41.7 kilometers. And that's the end of our video today. Now I'm going to give you some questions to do from your booklet. Paper.